Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me on my podcast, Adults ESL Online Learning. I'm Regina, and this episode is titled What's in My Bag? Because right now I'm carrying a handbag that is very functional, and I'm happy with it. What are you carrying? As I'm talking about my handbag and as I'm describing it and telling you what's inside, what are you carrying? Think about what you like to carry and what are the items that you like to carry with you, and what are the types of handbags that feel comfortable for you to carry? What types of handbags do you like to carry? My handbag is a top handle handbag. It's a satchel and it is two-toned. It has believe Sierra trim leather, and it also is the color wine, which is a deep red, almost, similar to the color of a red wine. Very similar to the color of a red wine, a glass of red wine. There are two zippers to unzip the bag, and the zipper itself is gold. All of the hardware on the bag is gold. The zipper zips from top all the way to the bottom of the bag. The bag opens very wide. I can see what's inside my bag. I can see everything inside my bag. On the back side of the bag, there is a zipper pocket. Inside that pocket, I carry rubber bands and the tags for the bag. Next to that zipper, or beside that zipper pocket, is a slip pocket. It's a pocket without a zipper. It opens without a button or a zipper. Inside this pocket, I carry masks. In the middle of the bag is a key fob or a keychain where I can open and close a lobster claw for my keys. I have two envelopes, a notebook, a chapstick, a pouch for my ear pods, a wallet where I carry my identification cards, my identification cards, my credit cards, and a checkbook and cash and change. I have eye contact solution in my bag. And on the front interior side of the bag, I have two slip pockets that are very deep. In one of those pockets, I carry a comb, a air freshener spritz, and in the second pocket, I carry pens. I have two pens and an eye concealer. The interior of the bag is red. My wallet is red. My notebook is brown and khaki. And my earpods pouch is brown and khaki. That's all that I have in my bag. I like to carry the bag all the way zipped, and I hold it with my hand or on the crook of my elbow. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed listening to what's in my bag. And as always, if you're interested in taking private ESL lessons, please feel free to contact me by emailing me at adultseslonlinelearning@gmail.com. And I hope you have a great day. And like I said before, what's in your bag? What do you like to carry with you? Bye-bye.